Good morning, children. May you all have a beautiful day filled with many blessings. Keep smiling, be productive, be positive. Students, last class we have learned about taxonomy, classification, and binomial nomenclature. Say all of you, what is taxonomy? Good. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the study of identification, classification, description, and nomenclature of living organisms. What is classification? Say all of you. Yes, good. Plants are arranged into different groups and categories on the basis of similarities and differences. Next one, binomial nomenclature. What is binomial nomenclature? The naming of an organisms with two words is known as binomial nomenclature. For example, the binomial name of mango is, say all of you, yes, good, Mangifera indica. Here the first word Mangifera refers to the genus name and the second word indica refers to the species name. Today we are going to learn about uses of medicinal plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways, we know that. Some plants along with their parts, it may be leaves or stem or barks or fruits, are used as medicines. First plant, Acalypha indica. Acalypha indica. Kuppaimeni. Kuppaimeni plant. Yes, it belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. The paste obtained from the leaves of this plant is used to cure the burns of the skin. Burns on the skin. Paste. We have to grind the leaves and make it as a paste. The paste obtained from the leaves of this plant is used to cure the burns on the skin. Then the juice of this plant leaves is mixed with lemon juice. Mixed with lemon juice to cure ringworm. Ringworms are present inside the intestine. So the juice of this plant leaves is mixed with lemon juice to cure ringworms. Yes. Next plant. Aegle mormilus. Aegle mormilus. Wilworm. It belongs to the family Rutaceae. The unripe fruit of this tree is used to treat indigestion. Indigestion. Then it is used to cure chronic diarrhea. Diarrhea and dysentery. Yes. Next plant, Solanum. Say all of you, Solanum trilobatum. Solanum trilobatum. That is Thoothuvadai. See the plant. See the flower of this plant. And fruits of this plant, Solanum, is Thoothuvadai. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. The leaves and fruits of this plant cure cough and cold. Then, it is widely used in the treatment of tuberculosis, TB, and bronchial asthma. And asthma. Yes, next one, Phyllanthus amarus. Phyllanthus amarus. Yes. Listen children, this plant is Keelanelli. Yes. It belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. Yes. The entire plant is used to the treatment of jaundice. Manchakamalane. Jaundice. It gives additional strength to human liver. And it used to treat other liver disorders also. Next plant, aloe vera, our favorite plant. What is aloe vera? Yes, kattalai chedi. Sotru kattalai. This aloe vera belongs to the family Liliaceae. Leaves of this plant is used to cure piles, mulanoi, piles, and inflammation on the skin. Inflammation on the skin. It cures peptic ulcer. And students, let us learn about the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Cedar plants. Class Dicotyledonnae. Dicot plants. Example mango, guava, teak. Gymnospermae. Example cycas plant and pinus plant, etc. Monocotyledonnae. Monocot plants. Example coconut, then millet, paddy, etc. Subclass Polypetalae. Say all of you, Polypetalae, you can see that the petals are free from one another, free. Then Gamopetalae, the petals are united. Then Monoclamidae. Series Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae, Calciflorae. Inferae, Heteromerae, bicarpellate. Again children, cedar plants, class Dicotyledonnae, Gymnospermae, Monocotyledonnae, subclass Polypetalae, Gamopetalae, Monoclamidae, then series Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae, Calciflorae, Inferae, Heteromerae, bicarpellate. Yes, so far we have learned about the uses of medicinal plants. Acalypha indica, the juice of this plant leaves is mixed with lemon juice to cure ringworm. Solanum trilobatum, it belongs to the family Solanaceae. It is widely used in the treatment of tuberculosis and bronchial asthma. Phyllanthus amarus, it gives additional strength to human liver. Aloe vera, it cures peptic ulcer. Students, you have to learn about the uses of medicinal plants and the classification of Bentham and Hooker's, and you have to draw the diagrams also. Thank you children.